Recess! 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 323, but we outside!
It's an experience you don't want to miss. If you know what recess is like, imagine that on steroids.
Vicious, I'm out here like...
Are you okay? Hello. Abdi, you want to say something to Dazed? Yeah?
No,
I have one.
We got the train, we left London, we're at our ends. Fantastic scenes. I'm so ready to have the best time of my life.
The reason why we chose Margate because the venue, Dreamland, gives us like something new that we can't get in the city. We don't want just to feel like it's just a cookie cutter thing. Dreamland in Margate, where it's an actual active theme park, it's truly an experience, you know what I'm saying? We just want to give people things to look forward to, man. Life is tough.
I like the energy. I feel like everyone just wants to come and have a good time. Serotonin, boosted, 7,000 people.
7,000?
It's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. So we went on the Ferris wheel, and that was beautiful because you actually got to see everybody like vibing, dancing, like at the bottom. I love seeing Black Joy.
The black diaspora is bigger than just London, so it'd be good to find and discover all the people across the whole of the United Kingdom.
I feel like this is a part of history, you know? And like as a black man, I just feel like we need things like this, you know?
RECESSLAND is important because it's a natural progression of what we've been doing over the past, 6 years in the London kind of like nightlife scene. It's only right that people like from the black community are able to like scale up what they do.
Yeah, I thought, you know, it's in a theme park. I'll just have to come and win whatever the biggest thing is here. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. I'm just in the car, you get me?